Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn vegetables. How to write the first letter for the given vegetables inside the circle. Okay, this is potato. P for potato. And this is cabbage. C cabbage. Onion. O or onion. And French beans. F for French beans. Lady's fingers, okra or bhindi you can call it. So we will write the first letter of lady finger, which is L. And radish, R, radish. This is cucumber, C, cucumber. And this is carrot, C, carrot. Peas, P, peas. Capsicum, C, capsicum. And the last one is spinach. S, spinach. So again, circle the vegetables you like to eat. Which vegetable do you like to eat? I like cucumber and carrot and ladyfinger. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and goodbye.